if you want letter grades to appear on your assignments rather than the number, like I had previously, I'd already moved one step forward. So the way we can set that up is choosing the letter grade here. To be able to do that, you need a grading scheme for the course. To set a grading scheme, you can go to the settings for your course details. There should be an enable grading scheme for the course. This usually sets the grading scheme for the entire course, meaning the final score gets translated to the letter grade. But if you want to add a grading scheme, when you set the grading scheme, you can see an option to manage grading schemes. And over here, you can set any grading scheme that you want. And that's the one that will be used in the assignment or whatever else you want to use it for. With specifications grading, this becomes very easy to set letter grades for the students to see and know if they've passed the assignment with a high pass or a low pass, or if they need to revise the assignment, or if they just failed.